Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of rosemary, a fragrant herb that's as versatile in the garden as it is in the kitchen and medicine cabinet. Whether you're a gardening newbie, a health enthusiast, or a foodie, this video has something for you. Let's get started. Benefits of rosemary. Rosemary is a nutrient-dense herb packed with vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that offer diverse health benefits. Here's a breakdown of its nutritional profile and associated advantages. Rosemary vitamins. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, skin health, and immune function. Vitamin C supports collagen production and immunity. Vitamin B is rich in folate, pyridoxine, and riboflavin, aiding DNA synthesis and energy metabolism. Rosemary minerals. Iron is essential for oxygen transport in blood. Calcium, which is vital for bone health. Manganese supports antioxidant enzyme activity. Rosemary bioactive compounds. Carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid are powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation, combat bacterial infections, and may slow cancer cell growth. Flavonoids and terpenes enhance cognitive function and mood by reducing cortisol, stress hormone, and boosting dopamine. Immune system support. The carnosic and rosmarinic acids in rosemary exhibit antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Regular consumption might help lower infection risk and support the immune system in fighting off infections. Gastrointestinal health. Rosemary extract has shown potential in improving gastrointestinal health, particularly in relation to inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Animal studies have demonstrated that rosemary extract can reduce inflammation, crypt damage, and other markers of colitis. Cognitive function. Some studies suggest that rosemary may enhance cognitive performance. A 2018 study found that drinking water containing rosemary extract had beneficial effects on cognitive performance in healthy adults. Animal studies have shown that inhalation of rosemary essential oil decreased stress by reducing serum corticosterone levels and increasing brain dopamine levels. Another study indicated that the aroma of rosemary oil could improve cognitive function in older adults. Mood and mental health. Limited research suggests that rosemary may have positive effects on mood and mental health. A small study showed that taking a 1,000 milligrams dose of rosemary daily for 1 month helped reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression and improved sleep quality in university students. Memory enhancement. Rosemary has been associated with improved memory performance. A 2018 randomized controlled trial demonstrated that university students who took rosemary supplements for 1 month had significantly improved memory performance. Pain relief. Some early research indicates that products containing rosemary, along with other ingredients like hops and oleanolic acid, may help reduce pain associated with arthritis. Hair health. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that rosemary oil may help fight hair loss. It's important to note that while these benefits are promising, many studies used high-dose extracts or essential oils, which differ from culinary use. Growing tips for rosemary. Soil and drainage optimization. Gravel layering. Add 5 to 7 centimeters, 2 to 3 inches, of gravel to container bases to prevent root rot. Soil amendments. Mix 30% coarse sand or perlite into potting soil for enhanced drainage. pH management. Test soil annually. Apply garden lime if pH drops below 6.0. Fertilization strategy. Slow-release 10-10-10 fertilizers should be applied in early spring and late summer. This will balance growth and bloom support. Compost tea can be used monthly during growing season. It will boost microbial activity. Well-rotted manure can be used as autumn mulch. It provides a great winter nutrient reserve. Pro tip: avoid high nitrogen fertilizers. They promote leafy growth over aromatic oils. Pest and disease management. Common issues. Spider mites and leaf hoppers cause yellow stippling. Treat with neem oil, 2 tablespoons per gallon water, or insecticidal soap, 1 tablespoon Castile soap per 1 quart water. Powdery mildew. You will need to improve the airflow and avoid overhead watering. Applying water to the soil is best. Preventative care. Spray foliage with diluted neem oil every 14 days during warm months. Introduce ladybugs for organic mite control. Pruning and harvesting mastery. Trim after flowering, cutting 1/3 of stem length to encourage bushiness. Do rejuvenation pruning by cutting back woody stems to 15 centimeters, 6 inches, every 3 years. Harvest for peak flavor by cutting mid-morning, post-dew evaporation. Dry by hanging 4 to 6 inch stems upside down in a dark, well-ventilated area. Rule of thumb: never harvest more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Propagation techniques. Stem cuttings. Take 4 inches of semi-hardwood cuttings in spring. Remove lower leaves on stem and dip in rooting hormone. Plant in sandy perlite mix. The roots will form in 4 to 6 weeks. Layering. Bury a low-growing stem under soil while still attached to the mother plant. Separate from mother plant once it is rooted, usually about 6 to 8 weeks. Winter survival guide. In-ground plants. Apply 3 to 4 inches of mulch, straw, or pine needles after first frost. Cover with burlap during 20 degrees Fahrenheit snaps. Potted plants. Move indoors to a south-facing window and reduce watering to twice a month. Pro container tips. Rotate pots quarterly for even sun exposure. This will prevent leggy growth. By integrating these practices, you'll cultivate robust, aromatic rosemary plants that thrive for years. Adjust care based on your climate and always prioritize soil health and pest vigilance. Daily routine uses. Rosemary is an incredibly versatile herb that can be incorporated into your daily routine in many unique and creative ways. Here's some exciting ideas to try. Start your day with a rosemary-infused drink. Make rosemary tea by steeping fresh rosemary leaves in hot water, or add rosemary ice cubes to your morning water for a refreshing twist. Enhance your skincare routine by creating a rosemary face toner. Dab rosemary water on your face and neck using a small sponge for a relaxing and invigorating effect. Boost your hair care regimen with rosemary. Use rosemary-infused olive oil as a deep hair conditioner to stimulate growth and reduce hair loss. Create a natural, chemical-free deodorant using rosemary oil, lemongrass, and coconut oil. Freshen your home with a DIY rosemary stovetop potpourri. Simmer orange slices, rosemary sprigs, and cranberries in water for a delightful aroma. Make your own all-purpose cleaner by combining rosemary sprigs with orange peel and white vinegar for a safe and effective household cleaner. Craft rosemary-infused olive oil for cooking or as a base for homemade salad dressings. Elevate your cocktail game by making rosemary-infused syrup for unique and flavorful drinks. Keep insects at bay with a homemade rosemary bug spray. Boil dried rosemary in water, strain, and use as a natural repellent. Add sprigs of rosemary and sliced lemon to your drinking water pitcher for a subtle, refreshing flavor. By incorporating these ideas into your daily routine, you can enjoy the aromatic, medicinal, and practical benefits of rosemary in various aspects of your life. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using rosemary supplements or essential oils for medicinal purposes.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.